What keeps a heating and cooling system efficient instead of unreliable? A structured HVAC maintenance checklist helps you review safety, condition, and performance before small issues turn into costly repairs. It also supports comfort, air quality, and daily operations. An HVAC maintenance checklist is a structured inspection tool. You use it to inspect filters and airflow, electrical systems, refrigerant and controls, and mechanical components. That means checking items such as wiring, circuit breakers, voltage levels, thermostats, fans, motors, belts, and bearings. HVAC systems run for long hours every day, so dust buildup, worn parts, and neglected servicing can reduce performance quickly. Routine maintenance helps systems run at peak efficiency. It lowers utility costs, extends equipment life, reduces breakdowns, and supports better indoor air quality and comfort. A thorough checklist covers every critical system component. It includes coil cleaning, electrical inspection, refrigerant checks, thermostat testing, and filter checks. It also reviews coil cleanliness, motor lubrication, drainage integrity, and final full system performance testing to confirm safe, efficient operation. Routine inspections catch problems before they become expensive failures or system downtime. Common issues include dirty filters, refrigerant leaks, faulty thermostats, electrical failures, and poor airflow. Poor airflow can come from blocked ducts, dirty coils, or worn fans. eAuditor Audits and Inspections turns maintenance into a digital workflow. It offers ready-to-use templates, mobile inspections, real-time reporting, photo and evidence capture, corrective action, and cloud storage. These features reduce paperwork, improve consistency, speed communication, strengthen tracking, and support preventive maintenance planning. Effective HVAC maintenance depends on structured, consistent care, replacing filters regularly, cleaning outdoor units, monitoring unusual noises, addressing issues quickly, and scheduling professional service at least twice a year all help reduce downtime and extend system life. With a strong checklist and eAuditor, maintenance becomes easier to manage and improve.